What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the YouTube channel. I'm here with Hannah right there. She's going to be our model for today's video. We're going to be doing some golden hour photos here in this field, and then we're going to be doing some things on top of a parking garage later in the video as well. So we're going to be working with natural light and how we can adapt with different, light in the environment, and then once the light is gone, how are we going to make those photos really sharp. So hope you guys stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, so pretty simple. Just kind of cross your legs over. It's like my go-to pose for everything. It just kind of gives like a natural curve, and then you can play with like your hair to give like your hands some movement, and then you can like look away. You can take the hat off, put it back on, just be happy, and then we'll just go from there. And then I'll take a couple of these and then I'll show it to you. Okay,
sounds good.
All right. All right, so look to the right.
My right?
Yeah. So take the hat off and then just kind of like put, yeah. Okay, let me get a little bit closer.
Nope, I gotta cross the other one. I'm more balanced.
I really can't see anything, so I don't know if I'm getting this shot in focus or not. Okay, so now let's like move, let's walk. Let's just kind of like mat these down a little bit because I want to see like more of the boots.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Is that too much?
No, that's good.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I know I've started myself a little circle.
All right, so let's just take the hat off and then just have it like kind of like in your hand. Yeah, right there, perfect. And then you can take your other hand and you can just kind of like go through your hair and stuff.
Let me not get too much hair. 1 second. I'm notorious. I go to pull some of my hair and I get like all of it.
All right. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little closer for this one. All right, so we are at a different spot because the light was super harsh. We're gonna try to do some same shots here. Let's get a shot. Okay, so let's have you like take a step back here. Yep, and then cross over, and then you can kind of like just hold your arm. Yep, that looks good. And then you're just kind of like gonna look out. Okay. It's just like I can't see anything. I'm like right in the sun. I'll go this way. Oh, that's much better. Okay, so all right, and just like turn towards me a little bit more. There you go.
Maybe.
Okay, take one step forward. Yeah, and then go this way. Perfect. There you go. It's not harsh light on your.
There we go.
Like look out that way and hold it right there. That looks really good. And look at me. Awesome. So now just take the hat off, and we're gonna do the same thing where you just kind of like got it down to the side, but you're just kind of like playing with your hair a little bit more.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yep. Okay. Right here, we have a really cool thing going on where the building behind us right now is reflecting. Why is it won't focus? There we go. And it's putting this really cool effect, and we're going to show you kind of like the difference between the reflectors. So you can already see like she's like completely like illuminated from the. Is it blinding you too? Like,
No, it's actually not that bad.
okay. All right. All right.
It's definitely like there, but it's not the same as like it normally is.
Yeah. So putting this reflector on, you're getting all this light right here that's coming off. It's bouncing off of this building right here, and it's going to make it look like a flash almost. So it's actually really cool. So kind of like just turn your head. Yep. That's actually really insane how this looks. See, that's what it looks like now.
Oh wow.
That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
It really looks like a flash setup.
Yeah, no, it does.
So it's kind of like gives you a different mindset of like how light is affected, you know, and like natural light.
Yeah.
Like you can still do the same thing. Just gotta get a reflector. Okay, so all right, and put your hat off, put it back on. Awesome. So now let's get you out of that. Let's show the difference between it. So like staying like about, keep going. Might be a lot actually. Go back that way. That's
I'm trying
better.
to think there's like
That's
a beam
better.
on it.
Yeah, right there. So now this is more of a natural shot right here. Yep. Now look over your left shoulder a lot. So just keep on holding right there. That looks good. Look over your shoulder. That looks really good. You know, when I'm not blinded, I can actually like measure all the shots up, and it looks a lot better. Okay, so then just face me directly. Okay, and then you're gonna cross over. And now I think with your hands down, like the way they was, put them back. Yep, and then sort of turn like this left hip back this way a little bit more. There you go. Yep, perfect. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. Yeah. All right, look over your right shoulder now. Yep. Get a little bit. Go low on this one. Oh, jeez. Okay, awesome. And then let's do, I want to do something else with your hands. That way they're just not like, yeah. Oh, actually, so let's take the hat off and let's just toss it to the side. Let's just do like since you got a lot of hair, let's just like just keep playing with your hair like you're putting it up or something.
Okay.
So let's put you to the side though. Yep. Okay, let's turn you a little bit because when you're moving that movement, I want to have a little bit of your face in it.
Just turn this way a
Yep.
little bit.
Yep. That looks really good. There's just enough light coming through there that's like, okay, and let's do the same thing opposite way. Yep.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Okay, and then turn just a little bit more like towards the tripod. I don't even know if I've been getting this one. Nope, sure haven't. Oh man. Let's bring that down a little bit. Okay, cool. Sweet. Okay, and then look over your left shoulder. Oh, that looked really good right there. So there's enough hair that's like kind of like going over. It's like a little bit mystery. We love that. And then just with your eyes, look, yep. Okay, and then just, yeah, so exactly what you was about to do. You was going to like just without, yep. Sorry, I'm terrible at explaining that. And look at me. That sun's like working perfectly now.